edition. Yeah. This is a streaming mic that you can just plug in with USB and it records audio. So if you're into like making videos like I am, having mini mics is the best thing to have. So this is the front of the box right here. We have the side of the box which shows the Blue Snowball on its side. The back, what we have is we have the computer and the mic and how you just plug into it and it records. I usually record with a Yeti. I really love it a lot. I need something a little bit smaller to carry around with me, so I wanted to get a Snowball and try it out and see if I can make it part of my unboxing series and things like that. So this is kind of what it looks on the side. It tells you, it's a condenser mic, USB cable, and it has a little stand that comes with it. That's pretty much it. Here's the bottom of the box. Kind of got broken, so somebody taped it back up. I don't know who did that. Probably the Santa Claus. Well, anyway, so we'll start opening the box and see what's inside. Alright. Sorry for the voice again. I've been sick for 2 weeks. Barely coming out of it, so now I'm back in it. With more videos coming in 2018. Yeah. Oh shoot! So we pulled that out. First thing we got is a white box. Let's see what's inside. So let's keep going through. Okay, that's pretty much empty. So we'll toss that aside. This is the cable I believe will connect to the microphone. This is what they call. I can't remember what they call that one. It's a big, like they have for printers and all that kind of stuff. Interesting. And then right here we have the little stand. So let's pull this out and check it out. Let's see what we got. So that's the stand. Pull the legs apart and it stands like that, just straight up. That's pretty cool. I dig that. Makes it pretty awesome. So we'll just stand right there on the Yu-Gi-Oh mat, showing my legit cred. Being a super geeky dude. If that means anything on the internet, it means a lot, but I don't know about YouTube. Alright, so we have a USB, the other connection that connects right into that. That's pretty cool. Instruction book how to hook up your microphone. So let's keep digging in deeper to see what we can find. So the box is not really, it's just like really thin. Packaging is not that great, but overall, everything I've seen so far is pretty cool. So I just popped that out, and what you get is this cool little ball. It's pretty dope. It looks like a little mini Death Star. So let's keep pulling this out and see what we got here. So underneath you have a mic stand where you can just screw it onto a mic stand, or anything that has a 5.8 adapter, which is usually the standard for microphones. And it looks like you put that on there and they can move it around pretty well. There we have the connection. In the back of this we have a rubber dealio. I don't know what that is. It's pretty cool. It's small, tight. It looks pretty nifty. Here's the front of the microphone. That's kind of dope. Yeah, it's nothing too much to it. I mean, it comes with 3 things: the stand, the cord, and then the microphone. It looks like the microphone just screws onto the stand pretty easy. Oh, wrong spot. I think if you want to get really kind of funky with it, you can put this onto like a cooler stand, and then you can maybe connect to something else. But this is pretty dope so far. I kind of dig it. So I'm screwing it onto the stand. Stands up. Looks pretty cool. Goes on pretty even. Right there. That's pretty cool. Stands up. Plug it into the microphone, and hypothetically, you just go from there into your computer, and you're ready to go.